Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Do you think it's important to be able to tell dates in Chinese? To be able to specify a particular date with the given month and the date and which day of the week? Do you think this is necessary to learn? Yeah, it is. Yeah, because you need to make plans, right? Or you need to ask people, what day is it today? Or when do you plan to do something, right? So telling date is a very important part of the language. So let's take a look at how to say dates in Chinese. So please turn to page 50 of your textbook and let's take a look at note number 1. To put it very simply, to express a date in Chinese, first you convert it into a numeric format like this. So September 1st, you have 9-1, right? So a date like September 1st would be 9月1号. That's September 1st, 9月1号. And Wednesday is the third day of the week, so we say 星期三, 星期三. In Chinese, we count the days of the week from Monday, not from Sunday, but from Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you have 星期一, 星期二, 星期三. So September 1st, Wednesday will be 9月1号, 星期三. And August the 31st, Tuesday would be 8月31号, 星期二. The days of the weeks are pretty simple. You don't have to memorize a separate word for each day. You simply count from 1 to 6. For example, Monday will be 星期一, Tuesday 星期二, Wednesday 星期三, Thursday 星期四, Friday 星期五, Saturday 星期六. But there's an exception for Sunday, which is 星期天, T-I-A-N, first tone, 天, 星期天 is Sunday. Here are some examples on how to say dates. Thursday, September 2nd. So first we say 9th month, 9月, then second day, 2号. Then the fourth day of the week, 星期四, 9月2号, 星期四, September 2nd, Thursday. Friday, September 3rd. First you say 9th month, third day, and then week 5. 9月3号, 星期五, 9月3号, 星期五. Saturday, March the 2nd. How do you say that? 3月2号, 星期六. Very good. How about Monday, December the 30th? 12月30号, 星期一. Very good. How about Sunday, October the 1st? 10月1号, 星期天. How about Thursday, September the 2nd? 9月2号, 星期四. Very good. The word 号 can also be replaced with 日. So you can also say 9月2日, 星期四. This is one of the hardest sounds in Chinese to pronounce. It's 日. 日. Fortunately, there's only this one common character in Chinese that's pronounced this way. 9月2日, 星期四.
Ken, 今天几月几号？
今天6月31号。
6月31号。今天星期几？
今天星期八。
No, not really. We don't have June the 31st nor the 8th day of the week. 6月31号 and 星期八, they don't exist. Okay, that was a joke. All right, how do you say Tuesday, July the 5th? 7月5日, 星期二. Very good. And alternatively, you can say 7月5号, 星期二. 日 and 号 are interchangeable. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview, Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.